When your brake pedal sinks to the floor, it indicates a critical loss of hydraulic pressure in your braking system. This dangerous condition can occur due to several specific mechanical failures. The most common cause is master cylinder failure. Internal seals degrade over time, typically after 100,000 to 150,000 miles of service. Brake fluid contamination is another major cause. Air bubbles in the brake lines create a compressible medium, while moisture absorption reduces the fluid's effectiveness and causes internal corrosion. System leaks are another critical cause. Corroded brake lines, especially in salt-exposed regions, caliper seal failures, and wheel cylinder problems can all result in pressure loss. In vehicles equipped with power brake boosters, a failing vacuum booster diaphragm can cause the pedal to sink gradually. This component assists in applying brake force, and its failure affects pedal feel. Modern vehicles feature electronic brake system diagnostics that can detect pedal travel anomalies before complete failure occurs. These systems provide early warning indicators for potential problems. Prevention is crucial. Regular brake fluid replacement every 2 to 3 years prevents moisture buildup and corrosion, significantly reducing the risk of brake pedal sink and maintaining system integrity. The first step in troubleshooting brake pedal sink is a thorough visual inspection. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and examine the fluid color. Next, test the brake pedal feel. Press the pedal slowly and assess both the travel distance and firmness. A sinking pedal or excessive travel indicates system problems. Use a pressure gauge to verify system integrity. Normal brake systems should maintain 800 to 2000 psi under braking conditions. Modern vehicles have electronic brake system monitoring. Use an OBD scanner to check for brake system fault codes that can pinpoint specific component failures. Corroded brake lines are a common cause of system failure. Inspect all brake lines for rust, cracks, or damage, especially in areas exposed to road salt. Damaged caliper seals can cause internal leaks that aren't immediately visible. Inspect seals for cracks, deformation, or contamination. Bleeding the brake system removes air bubbles and replaces contaminated fluid. This process must be done in the correct sequence to ensure complete air removal. Proactive maintenance is the key to preventing brake pedal sink. Regular brake fluid replacement every 2 to 3 years significantly reduces the risk of system failure and ensures safe braking performance.